was your first impression to the church?
It was very lively and the music is like very different from the church that I go to. Yes, both Christian church, but mas solemn yung sa amin when it comes to praise. It's they sing, like it's just very lively.
Ganun rin actually yung impression ko ngayon sa church. Like, I saw how devoted yung mga tao doon. And nakaka-inspire lang kasi nakikita mo na very inspired nga sila. So, ayun.
For me naman, first time ko pumunta sa ibang church. Kasi ibang-iba yung church na napuntahan natin. Sa nakasanayan ko rin. Yung first impression ko is sobrang loud nila. Yung music, yung singing, like may dancing pa. It's not like the traditional monotone church na sa amin. We worship through bowing, kneeling, and meditating. While in Christian, we worship through a monotone ceremony. So, it's really a different experience for me.
For me naman, same from them both. Since nakapasok na din ako sa ganong church. So, at first talaga, alam niyo yun, yung parang kapag naririnig mo silang kumakanta, yung na-overwhelm ka. Kasi it's so loud, tapos parang, hindi siya yung typical church na yung pupunta ka doon, malakakilala, parang sa kanila magkakilala na sila, ganun. So, parang for me, talaga, yung impression ko doon, that very, very, sila, devoted. Kasi like, sabay-sabay na silang nag-worship like that. So, nakakapala na siya.
Second question. Did you feel welcome and comfortable during your visit?
For me, yes. Kasi like, pag may nakaka-interrupt ka, but like, unlike my sa church na pinupuntahan ko, is parang walang masyadong pansinan. Pero pag nandun ka na sa church na sa jail period, that they will smile at you, they will say, hello, welcome, ganito, ganyan.
Oo. Yun rin yung isang fun. Like, I could say the same kasi nung first time kong pumunta doon, immediately the people were greeting us, ganon. They were smiling, tapos ayun, nakikipag-usap sila. They're very friendly, approachable. So yes, I did feel very welcome.
For me, super friendly nila to the point na ikaw na rin yung mahihiya makipag-interact. Like, sila yung lapit na lapit sa'yo, interact, shake hands here, shake hands there, pakilala here, pakilala there. Kaya minsan, parang ikaw na lang talaga yung mahihiya na makipag-interact tsaka ibalik sa kanila. Tsaka parang yung social battery mo, mauubos talaga sa nila, sa sistema nila. I mean, it's like, kunyari, iba kasi yung naging sistema natin, like, yung nakasanayan natin. Na, okay, church, uwi, yun lang.
Oh, yeah.
Well, sa kanila, ang daming greetings, ang daming ganito. Magpapakilala ka muna, ipapakilala ka muna, i-welcome ka nila, i-announce ka nila. Isa-isa kang papatayuin para mag-wave and magpakilala sa lahat. Kaya parang iba talaga yung naging sistema natin sa sistema nila ng pag-worship.
So, you feel like parang nakaka-drain siya?
Nakaka-drain siya kung ikaw yung person na hindi ganun kataas yung social battery mo. Like, you're an introvert person, hindi ka magiging sanay. Parang, after mo ngumiti sa lahat, wala na, pagod ka na talaga. Pero in a good way.
Guys, do I need to answer? Masabi mo naman.
Ikaw ba?
I mean, for me naman, yeah, I did feel welcome naman. Kasi,
nung first time ko talaga, like, kapag nalapitan ka na, ay, ganda yan. Di ba? Di ba? Like, shake hands with you. So, parang, yep, I feel welcome. Tapos, ayun, gaya nung sinabi niya kanina na papatayuin ka pa nito. Nahihiya ako that time. Kasi di ba, syempre, isa-isa nila tayo pinapatay. Yeah. And first time pa talaga. And syempre sa ibang kahit Catholic, hindi ka naman nila isa ganun. Hindi ka naman nila papatayuin na kahit ipapakilala. Kasi kapag pumasok ka doon, parang automatically you're a Christian.
Great question. How would you describe the style of your worship in the compared to
Others, since iisa pa lang naman yung actual na pinupuntahan. Yun nga, very, ano ba, di ba kasi singing and dancing, pero sa church kasi parang hindi allowed yung mag-ingay. Bawal lang mag-ingay. Dapat tahimik ka lang, dapat nag-listen ka lang sa sermon, ganyan. Like, pag-praying, tahimik lang din. As in, tahimik. Very different.
I think we could all collectively agree naman na like, parang naninibago tayo.
Oo.
Kasi,
Siyempre,
ayun nga, hindi,
bago sa atin yung parang the way they worship na talagang super loud ng music. Oh,
pero in all honesty, it's all in a good way naman.
yeah.
Kasi nakikita mong like very devoted talaga yung mga people. The church is very devoted in worshiping the Lord. Nakaka-inspire siya.
Kasi sila, kumakanta sila out of their heart.
Yeah.
Well, sa atin, very solemn. Both Catholic and Buddhism, very solemn lang sila. Pero kapag yung sa kanila, very loud, pero yung ramdam mo yung pagkanta nila na out of heart talaga, gusto nila. Willing sila, devoted talaga sila.
Parang alam mo yung parang sinasabi ngayon nila na, Lord, nandito ako.
Oo, parang pag itataas na yung kamay nila, tapos parang iyak na sila, naiyak ka nila.
Oo, parang mafe-feel mo yung emotion nila kapag kumakanta sila, no? Like, the way they worship talaga, parang cut yun. Pero, yes, in all honesty, the way that they conduct yung mga services nila, ayun nga, mayroong mga singing, there's dancing. It's as if, it's a way of saying na, Lord, nandito ako. Pakinggan mo ako. I am worshiping you.
I am loud and proud that you are my Lord.
Yes.
Okay, so next question is, were you able to connect with any members of yours? Like, were you able to connect with the members of the church? Like
Like mga andun sa church.
yes. For example, with Ate Riza that time, like, for example, pagkapasok pa lang, were you able to connect with them or you're just not?
Okay. For me kasi, hindi ako masyadong social. Pero, ayun nga, when I was in the church, when we were in the church, ayun, I could sense na very friendly yung mga tao. Even though na like, ayun nga, hindi ako social, I can feel naman na okay yung interactions with each other. Friendly.
Yeah, there's a connection. Pero yung not very that connected kasi nga like visit pa lang naman. Pero siguro pag if mag-went ka time to time then like makakonect ka with them.
Yeah, I agree. Kasi like, syempre, first time natin doon, like, yes, I did feel welcome naman sa church. Pero, as days at hindi naman like agad-agad nila nag-build yung connection mo with them. Like, sa mga tao doon.
Yes, hindi pa rin siya to the point na very open. Although, na-welcome tayo ng sobra-sobra. Pero, siguro na sa individual na lang. Diba? Individual.
Can I just add na even though na hindi ako masyadong like nakipag-connect sa mga tao, what I can say is that mas naging connected ako kay Lord though.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi man sa mga tao, pero kay Lord, yes, definitely. Ayun.
So, how does this church align with your beliefs and expectations?
To be honest, wala akong like certain expectations when it comes to churches. Like, yung when it comes to beliefs naman is, ayaw kasi yung pumupunta ako sa church na dapat ina-expect ko na ganito din, na ganito yun. Parang nagsaset ako ng sarili kong standard. Ayoko yung, dapat like, kung ano man yung ginagawa nila doon, like, I should learn to understand, I should learn to, na ganito sa kanila, iba sa amin. Ganyan. Sa beliefs naman, same, worshiping God.
As for me, ito ha, hindi ako pala simba. Hindi ako pala simba. Pero may Diyos akong kinikilala. Ayun. Kung kahit saan man church na pupunta ako, it's okay. Kasi what matters is yung faith ko kay Lord, nandoon pa rin. The church is just an instrument para like, mas strengthen yung faith ko. And in any church naman na pinupuntahan ko, pero is, ayun, it helps me strengthen my faith, nevertheless.
For me, as a person na dalawang churches yung ina-attendan, which is the Buddhism and the Catholic, yes, sobrang ibang-iba siya sa experience ko. Pero, maganda siya and yung intention pa rin nandoon. Walang nagbabago although nagpapalit-palit ng church. Pero ang mahalaga is kinikilala mo yung isang Lord and yung intention mo na mas mapalapit in parang finding new ways to connect to Him. Andun pa rin.
You know what, guys? Same with Rhea. Kasi personally talaga, hindi din ako pala church. And sometimes, sometimes I do not believe. But, there is times din naman na I talk to him, like, I would surrender myself to him, like, then lang, like, I would open up myself. So, ayun, iba-iba talaga tayo ng paniniwala. Pero, kailan I'm trying.
Yeah, that's
So, overall, because of our experience and na impressions sa church. And then, I'm glad that you are, like, willingly to come to the church. And, ayun nga. It's, like, a new experience na din. And, yeah, I'm really glad that I could, like, convince you guys to come to my mother church. And yeah, it's been a privilege na makasama kayo on my church, on our church. Tama ba yun?